How are regular people making 7 figures online through course creation? The number of people sitting in their homes making over 5, 6, 7 figures is growing like crazy. From popular YouTubers to digital nomads and even just people who are popular on Instagram are now creating courses and selling to their audiences and literally dropping their jobs, their 9-to-5s, sitting in their homes or even from the Maldives and creating an income through course creation. Some of them even skyrocket their income in less than a month. Now, before you wonder, how can I do that too? We'll spare you the pondering and just cut to the chase and teach you how it is done and how you too can become one of those regular people and sell out like crazy. This can be done for anybody who has expertise in almost any field. Hi, I'm Sauce from Uteach, and we create videos all about course creation, digital entrepreneurship, e-learning, so on and so forth. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of all incoming videos. So let's get back to the topic and talk about how regular people are making over 6, 7, 8 figures just by selling courses. The first thing that we need to point out is understanding your why. Why? Yes. One of the most crucial steps before creating any kind of course is understanding your why. What is exactly the reason that you want to teach? What kind of impact do you want to leave on the world and on people who are interested in you? And what is the outcome of your mission? Consider reverse engineering and thinking with the end in mind to get clarity on what it is exactly that you want to create. Let's say, for example, you're a holistic nutritionist and you wish to share your experience and professional advice with like-minded people. Keep in mind that the students you attract and sell your courses to should be positively affected and impacted by your knowledge and wisdom. The second thing that we want to mention is that you need to offer a solution. So you may be wondering, what exactly does that mean? And what do I need to do in order to create a 5, 6, or 7 income just by selling out my courses? Well, this is a very broad topic. We can share some things to consider. Listen, people are constantly buying solutions for their problems. If people are hungry, they buy food. If they need transportation on a daily basis, they buy a car. If they're cold, they buy a sweater. Anything anyone purchases is basically a solution to their problem. If they want to create videos, they buy a camera or a phone to create the videos, right? The third thing that we want to mention that comes into play is creating a blueprint. After you've clarified your why and know exactly what it is that you want to create to sell to your students, after you've clarified your why, you can start by strategizing your curriculum and creating a blueprint for the topic that you want to teach. Most people actually fear this part, but we want to reassure you that it never has to be like perfect and just perfectly organized. You don't need to worry about that. Start with just what you know best. An easy way to do this is actually pretending you're sitting with a friend and you're explaining to them A to Z, for instance, like how to boil a chicken. So how would you explain to your friend how they need to boil a chicken, right? So you first buy the chicken and then you wash it really well and then you clean it. And then you pour water in a boil, you put the chicken in the bowl and then you have to boil it to a certain degree. So picture you creating your course, you creating your blueprint, the curriculum, in those exact steps that you would actually do if you were talking about a solution to your friend, if you were explaining to them what exactly do they need to do to actually boil and cook the chicken. The same exact scenario can apply to any curriculum for the course that you are trying to create. And don't overthink it. Rough drafts always turn out to be the best masterpieces anyway. My personal experience. Of course, and let's get to one of the most important topics, is choosing the right platform that will host your course flawlessly. So you formed your best curriculum and you have the final draft out there, and it's time to actually get your course out on the internet. It's time to choose the best platform that will host your online services with ease and perfection. One of the secrets of guaranteeing user satisfaction is the hosting website itself, so that your students can gain the best experience and user accessibility during their studies. So these are some of the things that you want to consider when you're choosing actually an online platform to host your course. Make sure that the platform itself does host courses. It's easy to use for both you and your students. Make sure it has integration for better marketing. And also, something that many people actually neglect to realize and understand is making sure that there is a good, excellent support team. And the last thing that we want to mention is reaching the right people. Okay, I'm going to say this one more time. You need to make sure you're reaching the right people. Okay? Yes, marketing your course correctly and making sure it reaches the right people can indeed spiral into making thousands of dollars even in just a few short weeks. This will create a lot of revenue for your business. However, this does not happen, unfortunately, overnight and does require proper strategy, time, energy, patience, and the confidence to sell. As a creator myself, my biggest advice would be to serve people first. Gain authority in your field, build trust, leave an impact, and I assure you, I even guarantee you, the income will just absolutely flow through like butter, like that. So these are some of the steps that hundreds of course creators and digital entrepreneurs take before they actually create a course and cross over 5, 6, 7, even 8 figures online just by selling online courses, you guys. So our question for you today is, are you interested in creating a course and selling out like crazy and quitting your 9 to 5 and saying, hey, I'm a course creator now, that is my main income? Do you want to crush it in the industry? Let us know. Let us know what is holding you back, and we would love to chat with you about it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. That will show the algorithm some love. And of course, if you're interested in e-learning, course creation, and digital entrepreneurship, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can view all our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.